Welcome to Foodwise, where we discuss some very common kids' food items and understand how safe they are and how much we should consume them. And today's product is Tang, the refreshing summer drink that I'm sure even we have consumed as children. तो सबसे पहले तो मैं ये disclaimer देना चाहती हूँ because I'm sure ये बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया है आजकल कि this video is not to create any kind of fear in anyone for any particular brand. This is just my opinion. एंड इसका सबसे बड़ा प्रूफ ये है कि मेरे बच्चे खुद भी जानते हैं टैंग को एंड पीते भी हैं. अ क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस ड्रिंक एंड कितना देना चाहिए अपने बच्चों को किस एज में इज समथिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट टुडे. So again, no personal opinions and let's go straight to the ingredients of Tang and let's read them together. So first up is sugar. Now, sugar is not poison. It just has certain disadvantages in the body, yes. However, just like any other food item, sugar also has its recommended dietary allowances, meaning guidelines on how much we should consume each day according to age. So the sugar in this, how much is present, whether it is fine for kids or not, all that we will discuss in a few seconds. After that, the ingredients are acidity regulators, orange fruit powder which is 0.9%, anti-caking agents, vitamins, stabilizers, all these are certain numbers. Then there are 3 different numbers of colors present in it. Natural flavoring substances, sweetener 955 which is actually sucralose. Sucralose is a type of artificial sweetener. Then there is iodized salt and some mineral zinc sulfate. So overall, based on these ingredients, I have certain points that are in favor of Tang and certain points that are not in favor of Tang. So first, let me tell you my points that go against this drink. Since we are talking precisely about kids, the sugar present in this drink is a little bit high according to me. It contains approximately 92 gram sugar per 100 gram. That means approximately 92% of this powder is only sugar. Now this packet says that it serves 4 and the serving size is 17 grams. See, generally speaking, people don't really measure while making Tang for kids and you may even end up putting slightly more or even less than this particular quantity. But even if you stick to 17 gram, you should remember that 92% of that 17 gram is only sugar, which is approximately 15.6 gram of sugar that you're giving in one glass. According to NHS guidelines, the recommended amount of sugar for kids between 4 to 6 years of age is about 19 grams. Below 4 years of age, there is no guidelines because it is recommended that any form of added sugar should be avoided for kids. Now, even for kids between 4 to 6 years of age, the recommended daily limit is about 19 grams. And if you're giving one serving of this drink, that means you are giving 15.6 grams of sugar, which means essentially you are completing about 82% of their entire day's sugar limit in just one go. And then of course it also contains a little percentage of some artificial stuff that can be avoided for small children. And now my points that are in favor of Tang. The first and the biggest point is that everything is clearly mentioned on the packet. Nothing is hidden. So we cannot blame anybody for making this product. It is us who are making a choice when we buy it and give it to our kids. Another thing is that everything given in the ingredients is edible, even all the numbers that you read. And let's admit it, it is good and tasty and refreshing. And it's sometimes okay to expose our kids to everything, if only done at an appropriate age in an appropriate quantity. If your child is at least above 1.5 to 2 years of age, then you can rarely give it to your child, like once in 3-4 months. If you really want your child to enjoy it. If your child is above 4 years of age, then you can give it like once a month. While making it for kids, it's also a good idea to make it a little more dilute with more quantity of water and less quantity of powder, especially for those children who have not had the taste of actual concentrated drink before. Please note that these are my approximate ideas and not guidelines. There are no scientific guidelines on how much a child should consume Tang, but according to the ingredients given in the pack and the scientifically researched and proven effects of those ingredients on a human body, I have based these suggestions that tentatively this should be the quantity in which you can give Tang to your child without depriving the child of any fun. If you're giving these drinks on a routine or daily basis to small kids, then this amount of sugar and other artificial substances can do harm in the long run. And even in short term, one very big issue is taste addiction. If you start giving this on daily basis, then it might become tricky to discontinue one day because kids and anybody for that matter tend to develop a taste for things that have added sugars in them. So this was my take on Tang. Feel free to ask if you have any question. Go read the label, then buy a pack and make an informed choice for your child. Bye bye.